Honestly, yeah, it's fine. Like, hopefully. Listening to yesterday, I was listening to who was it? I think it was Bilal Asad. He was talking about how the believer is like a palm tree, because the palm tree. It's a little bit like you cook it. Really? Yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my little sister, and I'm so excited to see her because I haven't seen her all week, and I miss her, and I just miss being around her. But literally the other day I was watching a movie and I could hear her, like, you know when you like, I always watch movies with her, right? So like I was watching a movie and I could like, I just like imagine her sitting with me commentating, and I ended up bursting out loud. Like I started laughing because of something she said, and I'm like, bro, you're so funny. Like even when you're not here, you're making me laugh. Like I'm low-key schizophrenic, but like it's okay. She's so funny though. I'm so excited to hang out with her. Bro, you're actually fat. Bro, let me eat my fucking Cheerios, bro.
Where's the plate? Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm not cold of yours.
So this is me putting away my groceries. I just came back from the grocery store. This is me putting everything away. So I washed my chicken and then I put some cooking oil spray on the pan, and now I'm seasoning the chicken breast. So yeah, I just measure with my heart, use as much seasoning as I can until I feel like it's a different color. When the chicken is colored, that's when, you know, it's seasoned. So I let that just simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's ready. While that's cooking, I am making my my overnight oats balls. I'm prepping that. So I chopped up a bunch of green apples, and then I'm counting the weight of the apples. And then, so when I'm, you know, counting calories, I like to make a big batch of food so that I don't have to count every single day. So here I am making 4 days worth of overnight oats, and I am measuring every single portion of everything that I'm adding, and I'm writing that down so that throughout the week I don't have to worry about how much macros I'm taking in. Is me making cauliflower egg fried rice. So I left some chicken on the pan, added some cauliflower, added some veggies, and then I season it. And when that's ready, I crack some eggs on top and mix it together. That's pretty much how I make my egg flour rice. I was supposed to get it on camera, but I completely forgot. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll get in my next video, I promise. Anyways, this is me separating my chicken. So the way I meal prep is I will cook a big batch of protein. I'll separate it into different portions, and then throughout the week I will use those portions to make whatever I feel like. Sometimes I have burritos, salad, egg fried rice, whatever I feel like having that day. Then I don't have to think too much about counting calories. And this is an example of my egg fried rice. It's so good. I promise I will give you guys an in-depth video about how I make that. But that is all for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you.